It has been said that São Miguel holds a little piece of all the Azores magic. While each island has its own unique and enchanting traits, São Miguel sets the stage for you to become the hero and heroine of your own epic adventure, inviting you to discover something new and wondrous around every corner. Stroll along intricately tiled streets, letting your footsteps slow, gradually syncopating with the healing heartbeat of island life. What awaits you, hidden among this rugged volcanic terrain in the middle of the Atlantic? Divine romance and utter relaxation. How would you remain skeptical surrounded by such magnificent fauna and flora? How wouldn't you feel thankful just for being part of this great natural musical? Not only will the wild and captivating natural beauty of this island amaze you, but the rich and deeply rooted island culture awaits to welcome you as well. Take a seat at the table and feast. Enjoy the authenticity. Taste the unknown. As you wander, following the sun gently hitting the sea, while the island reveals its secrets. And when that happens, you are immediately driven back to the basics, where you and nature were simple, moving in the same pace.